Okay, so this is our token-based authentication. I will go to package JSON first. In package JSON, what all do we have? Nestjs JWT, Nestjs passport, right? And then bcrypt.js. Bcrypt we don't need, we need only bcrypt.js. Then passport and passport JWT. And passport local if you are using a local strategy. But we need passport, passport JWT, Nestjs passport, Nestjs JWT. Okay. I mean, I'm using the existing code which we have used in the cookie based and a session based. So I'm not writing any new code. You can just follow up on the code. So here also we are writing app module. Inside app module, we are using domain module. And here we are using database module, user module. Let me just check the auth module. Yeah, JWT module dot register. Here you can pass the options JWT module dot register, and here passport module dot register. Default strategy session is false, and for that we have a guard. The strategies are here, and this is the access token guard, right? Auth guard JWT, and this is access token strategy. In this code, we are trying to access the access token from cookies, but in real time what we will do is extract JWT from authorization as bearer. Okay, this will be the code looks like. I changed the implementation a bit because now we will be getting the code, the authorization header from the bearer. I mean, from the authorization header we will get access token, and here we will be validating that against this secret key. So either you provide this secret key on JWT module.register, or you can specify here secret or key. We are using the same secret key for login. Like here we are doing login. So what we will do, we will not return cookies like this because we are purely using token based authentication. So what we can do is we can just simply return response. We are not using request, we are not using response. So this is login. Okay, login, it is validating the username and password. Here, if everything is good, it is creating token. It is creating token by simply using JWT service dot sign async. This is the data I'm adding in the token, and it is giving me the refresh token and access token. The expiry is 1 day. Maybe for refresh token I can just say 7 days. It gives me access token and refresh token, which I will get in the auth controller. This is the first step. You do the login. Now, if you are trying to access any protected APIs, let's say refresh or logout, then we are adding these particular guard, access token guard. That means you can access logout only when you have token being passed in the authorization header. So for that, we are not sending cookies. We are just saying, okay, logout. One important thing here is, let me just remove this thing, because we are not doing any token thing now. Yeah, refresh token. So whatever the token we are getting, we are returning it. Refresh token guard, that means here also this is another refresh token guard. Refresh token strategy. This also will change according to that. So here we will be getting this from authorization as bearer. I'm just taking some help on the code completer. So we can just use this validate method. Yes. So for refresh token guard, we are passing the refresh token secret. We are getting the refresh token from the authorization header, and we are just doing all these validations. This is access token guard, and this is refresh token guard. All these are getting applied on auth controller. Like here I need a refresh token guard. Here I need access token guard. If I go to the user controller, where is user controller? Inside auth, user controller. If I try to access any other API, let's say this is the create user, this is fine. Here if I try to update, or let's say search, or let's say one particular API, give me the list of all the users. Here I'm checking access token guard. That means you are passing the token in the authorization bearer. Role guard, because we are doing a role check. I mean, you can also skip it. This is for admin users, because you are trying to access, you are trying to get all the users in the system. Okay, now let's play with this. So now let's play with the APIs. We already exposing Swagger, right? So we can just do the login and just try to go through all these APIs in the next section.